Hello everyone, we are Group 8 and this is Taxsi, a tax learning application. And this is our members. Our problems are, first, the education gap. The education system lacks practical, real-world tax training. Second is distance and tedious. Tax compliance feel unapproachable, complicated, and intimidating for beginners. Third is complex conditions. Tax laws involve confusing conditions and heavy manual calculations. Our solution Taxsi will transforming tax compliance from a confusing chore into a guided, gamified experience, an all-in-one educational and management platform designed specifically for young professionals and freelancers. We have interactive tax quest, a Tinder-style tax quiz, and a smart statement mapper. Here, let's take a look at our first feature, an interactive tax quest. The pain point of this feature is tax information from official government websites or textbooks is too difficult to understand, boring, and uses technical jargon that is too complex for recent graduates to grasp on their own. The core technology of this feature is the gamification engine. It transforms learning into interactive quest. And it has decision-driven, storyline based on user choices. Micro-learning framework. It is a bite-sized lessons like 3 or 5 minutes. It is easy to digest for the modern generation. And it has adaptive learning style. It will auto-adjust difficulty based on user understanding. Value for users are lifelong financial literacy, a practical financial skills applicable to real life and career. Fun learning, a game-based learning that doesn't feel like studying. Value for business, high daily active users. It drives daily engagement through short daily lessons. High retention, minimizes app abandonment rate. And community building, fosters an active user community through shared gameplay. The competitive analysis are traditional sources and YouTube creator. For traditional sources, the content is accurate but uses overly formal language. It is a passive experience, making it extremely boring. YouTube creators can be more entertaining, but still one-way communication. The learner doesn't get to practice or apply the knowledge themselves. But our advantage is that we offer a two-way interactive experience, where users actually play and interact with lessons. This makes the information much more memorable and fun compared to just passively watching a video. Our next feature is Tinder-style tax quiz. The pain point is tax players will feel anxious and tend to avoid complex tax rules. So they need an engaged, simplified way to learn about income and deductions without getting overwhelmed by technical forms. Core technologies are swipe-based UX, swipe left-right to answer simple income scenarios. Smart rule engine automatically processes and classifies income into Section 40 categories. And real-time logic. It instantly handles data and prevents inconsistent selections. Business value for users is stress-free. It is fun, fast, and reduces anxiety about making mistakes. High accuracy. It improves precision before tax calculation. Empowering. Builds confidence in financial decisions. For the business, it is high retention. Interactive swipe format keep users engaged. Low drop-off. Guided flow ensures smooth feature transitions. Competitive edge. Stands out as a uniquely beginner-friendly tax app. Competitive analysis are traditional government platform and accounting software platform. For a traditional government platform, for example, like the กรมสรรพสากร e-filing system, its weaknesses are that it assumes users already know their income category. It uses formal and complex legal language. It has no guided interaction or step-by-step support. It is designed for compliance, not education. For accounting software platforms are Flow Account and Peak. Its weaknesses are that it's for SMEs and business owners. It is a form-based input. It has manual income categorization. It requires basic accounting knowledge. It is not suitable for students or first-time earners. Our last feature is Smart Statement Mapper. The pain point is managing personal taxes is overwhelming. Users struggle to manually sort through bank statements to identify which transactions affect their tax obligations, leading to mistakes and missed opportunities. To reduce their tax burden. Core technology, smart data extraction. It automatically reads your bank statements like PDFs or images. Tax mapping. It attracts data is organized into a clear table, letting you review and manage all your information in one place. Intelligent tax classification. The technology intelligently categorizes every transaction into two key groups: taxable income, an income that must be included in tax calculations, and tax deductions, legal deductions to help reduce your tax liability. Value for user. The app transforms a confusing tax task into a guided journey, building practical tax knowledge and document skills through their own real financial data. Value for business. Merging education with a financial tool creates a sticky product, driving retention, consistent engagement, and premium monetization opportunities. Competitive analysis. The Revenue Department's e-filing website, the primary tax filing channel in Thailand. Fully manual input, no document upload or auto extraction, making the process time-consuming and error-prone. RD Smart Tax, the Revenue Department's mobile app for filing returns and tracking refunds. Still a digital form with full manual input, no statement reading, and no guidance on classifying transactions. On the other hand, our advantages lies in combining what no competitor offers: a real document processing and tax education in one place. Users stay on a single platform and learn through their own actual financial data, not generic examples. Our target users are digitally native students and first jobbers who are eager to be tax compliant but easily overwhelmed by complex paperwork and long-form information. What they do? They prefer visual interactive interfaces and currently struggle with the tedious manual process of organizing financial documents like bank statements and bills. Why do they need it? They require a stress-free, gamified tool that automates document sorting and provides a mock environment to practice tax classification before handling real filings. Conclusion. Taxsi is a gamified educational and management platform designed to make tax compliance stress-free for novice tax players like students and first jobbers. To eliminate the confusion, boredom, and manual effort to traditional tax filing, Taxsi combines 3 core features: a bite-sized interactive tax quest, a Tinder-style tax quiz for easy income classification, and a smart statement mapper that automatically extracts and categorizes bank data. By letting users learn interactively, with their own real financial documents. Taxi builds a lifelong financial literacy while driving high daily engagement for the business. And this is our prototype. Starting off with our 3 core features, interactive text quiz, Tinder-style text quiz, and smart statement mapper. How do all these features work together? The interactive text quiz provides the knowledge to start. Then, the Tinder-style text quiz gathers the context of the user's career. And lastly, the smart statement mapper executes the action by crunching the numbers. Together, they systematically eliminate the 3 biggest barriers to text preparation: confusion, boredom, and manual effort. This is the interactive text quiz. This is Tinder-style text quiz. And lastly, the smart statement mapper. Thank you very much for your attention.